Hello everyone, it's Soil Merchant from Tactar Solutions. In this tutorial, we are going to learn 6 techniques to extract unique values from a list of duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. If you want to jump around this tutorial, use the timestamps in the description. Otherwise, let's move into Microsoft Excel to learn these techniques. Be with me. So now we are back in Microsoft Excel. In column A, we have duplicate values from which we need to extract unique values in column L. And the technique that we are going to use is remove duplicates technique. First, select your cells, press Ctrl C to copy, and now select cell L1 and press Ctrl V to paste. Now go to your data tab. You will find this data tools, and in data tools you have this remove duplicates option. Click on it. Now we have remove duplicate dialog box. The first option that we have is this checkbox that says my data has header. If we enable this checkbox, we can see the header of the column like this, and if we uncheck it, we can see the column name, that is column L, A, B, C, D, any column. So we are enabling this checkbox and we have the column header, that is name, and we want to remove duplicates based on our name column. So select it and press OK. Now you can see that there were 10 duplicate values, and Microsoft Excel has found 6 unique values that is appearing on our screen. Press OK, and we have got our unique. Now we are going to use advanced filter technique to extract unique values from the list of duplicate values appearing in column A. So let's click on data tab, and here you find sort and filter group. Click on advanced. Advanced filter dialog box appear on our screen. Now we have two options for the action. The first option says that we need to apply filter. The second option says that we need to copy data on another location, and we want to copy this data having only unique values, right? So therefore I am selecting copy to another location action. Now it's asking me for the list range, the data I want to copy. So click on this arrow button, select your cells, press again this arrow button, and here we have selected the range of cells that we want to copy. Now it's asking where we want to copy. So we want to copy these values in cell L1, and we only want unique records. Click on it. Press OK, and now we have got our unique values with the help of advanced filters. In this technique, we are going to learn how we can extract unique values from duplicate values. First, convert your data into tables. Select your data, press Ctrl T, or go to Insert tab. In the Tables group, you will find Table option. Click on it. Now it will auto select your range. Since we have already selected it, make sure that you enable this checkbox that says my table has headers and press OK. Now we have this design contextual tab, click on it, and we got this tools group having summarize with pivot table option. Click on it. It already selected my table. Now I just want to mention location and we want to have pivot table in L1. So select existing worksheet, click on this arrow button and select cell L1. Press OK and now we have our pivot table on our screen. Now we want to drag this name column in the rows and here we have our unique value. Now we don't need this grand total. So we are going to pivot table tools, design tab. In the layout group you find this grand total option. Click on it and select off for rows and columns. And now you have your unique list. The advantage of using pivot table is, let's suppose that I change this apple to rabbit. I right click on my pivot table and here I got refresh option. As I press this refresh option, the new value will auto populate in my pivot table. Now in the fourth technique, we are going to use Power Query to extract unique values from the list of duplicate values. First, convert your data into table. The shortcut key is Ctrl T. Make sure you enable this checkbox that says my table has header. Press OK. Now click on Data tab and here you find Get and Transform Data. Click on this Table Range option. It will take few seconds to load Power Query engine, and once the Power Query editor is loaded, the data is available inside it. Now select your column. In your Home tab you find this Reduce Rows. Click on Remove Rows and here you find Remove Duplicates option. Now we want to have this data on a specific location. Therefore on your Home tab you will find this Close and Load option. Click on it and select Close and Load to. Remember, we want this data on a specific location. Therefore Close and Load to option. And now this window of import data will appear on your screen. And from here you can select existing worksheet. Click on this arrow and now select L1 and press OK. It will take few seconds to load that query on your Excel workbook. And now you have your unique values on your screen. Again, if I change this apple to rabbit and right click my query and press refresh, it will auto populate my new values inside the query. So now we are in the fifth technique, and here we are going to use Excel functions including COUNTIF and if, index and match. And with the help of these functions including a helper column, we will be extracting unique values from the list of duplicate values available in column A. So let's start solving this task. First, I need to convert these data into tables. Select my range like this. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard and don't forget to enable this check. OK. Now I have my list converted into table. Now I want to assign serial number to all the relevant items. What I mean? For apple, it will count 1, 2, 3, 4. For ball, it will count 1, 2, 3. And like this, it will assign a serial number to all the relevant items. So how I can do it? Let's type serial number. And for this, I need COUNTIF function equals to COUNTIF. And now there are two arguments, range and criteria. For range, I will write A2 colon A2 and I will freeze the first option of the range. Now for the criteria, I will again write A2 parenthesis close. Now what this formula will do? As I will drag this formula down, it will increase this second A2 of the range by 1, like A2, then A3, A4, A5, and like this it will collect or make part of the upcoming values inside the formula. Let's press enter and here we go. Now as you can see in the first formula, we are taking A2 to A2 in the consideration of the formula. For second value, we are taking A2 to A3, similarly A2 to A4, and likewise we are taking into consideration one cell by dragging the formula down. Now the second step. In the second step, we need a common serial number for all the items. What I mean, if there are apple, it will count or assign 1 to each of the apple items. Similarly, if there is a ball, now it will add 1 in the apple and will make ball 2 in the serial number. So how we can do it? For this time, we will be using if and function. Let's give this column name of count. Now equals to if, and this time my logical test is if my serial number equals to 1, then n is a function that will assign the value. Parenthesis open C1 parenthesis close plus 1. Else copy the value of my above cell, that is C1. So now if this is equal to 1, the value above cell will add 1 in it like this. For apple 1 1 1 1 1 1, and for ball we have 2 2 2, for cat we have 3 3 3, right? Now the third step, we need to assign serial number to our L column. 1. Now drag it down, press and hold your control key on the keyboard, and now we will use index and match to have these unique values in the column L. So equals to index. What I need my name, and I want it to match with my serial number of column L with the serial number of count, and this is my lookup array, comma 0 parenthesis close for the match and parenthesis close for the index. Press enter. Now drag this down, and here we have got some errors. Now we can resolve these errors with the help of if errors function. Press comma and now inverted comma open, inverted comma close, parenthesis close, enter. Again we will copy this formula, drag it down, and here we got our answer. Now again, if I change this apple to rabbit, this time I don't need to right click and refresh, it will auto populate the new value inside my unique values. now we are in the last and sixth technique of this tutorial. In this technique, we are going to create a smart formula with the help of index, match and countif that will extract unique values from our duplicate list available in column A. So let's first convert our list into table. So select it, press Ctrl T and don't forget to enable this checkbox. Press OK. Now we are using our first function, that is index, equals to index, parenthesis open, and I want my output from the column A. Now for the raw number I will use match and I want to match 0. Now this 0 will be generated by my lookup array which is created with the help of countif function. So match 0 with my lookup array that will be created by countif function, and this will take range from L1 colon L1, and the first element of my range, that is L1, I will freeze it. Now for the criteria, it will check all the cells of my table, parenthesis close, comma, 0 because I want an exact match, parenthesis close for match and parenthesis close for index. Press enter and here I have my first unique value. Now let's drag it down and you can see we have the unique value along with the errors. So we can write if error function to remove the error with the inverted comma open, inverted comma close, parenthesis close, and I am again dragging my function. Now if I change this apple to rabbit, it automatically update it inside my unique list. So in this smart formula, no need to create the two columns, helper column, no need to write if and conditions, just index, match and countif. So if you like this tutorial, do share it with your friends. Help them to upskill themselves in Microsoft Excel. And also, do let me know with your comments, like, subscribe and the notification bell so that you can receive tutorials in future also. See you with the next tutorial. Happy learning!